Hi everyone, good day. My name is Arthur and this is Jeff Pham. We are both from SMK St Class 4 ST, and today we'll be demonstrating the application of concept of movement of materials across the plasma membrane in our everyday life, which can be also known as osmosis, which is the movement of water in things. Okay, so these are the ingredients that we need to use. We have red cabbage, also can be known as pink cabbage, okay, lemon, quail eggs, and baking soda. And we'll have other ingredients such as sugar and salt. We'll be using it later.
First of all, we'll peel the red cabbage and boil in water later so that the color can be extracted and the osmosis process can be observed in a better way. Now that the cabbage is in small pieces, you can add into the water to boil for the color.
Now that the cabbage is boiling, remember to stir it every few minutes. Now that the cabbage is done boiling, we can take out the cabbage and throw it away, as we already extract the color and we already have the color, so the cabbage is not needed anymore.
Now that we have the cabbage juice, we can put it into a bowl and then set it aside to use it later.
Now that we are done extracting the cabbage juice, now we wash our quail's egg. Now we can start boiling our eggs.
Meanwhile, while the eggs is boiling, we'll separate the solution into two bowls. Okay. Now I'll be adding baking soda into one of them, and another I'll add lemon juice. Why? This is because
Whoa! 喂，真的有变。Yes. You see, this it will change color into red. You can compare the difference. This is the original. This is purple from the red cabbage juice, and this is red after we have added lemon juice. This is the power of science.
wow, there's the power of science, biology for life. Okay, so now since one of them already turned red, we'll add baking soda to another of them, which suppose they'll turn blue.
Wow, 加多一点啊。mix， 拿个汤匙来。Wow, now you can get red and blue.
Okay.
Now that we have two different solutions, I'll add 2 teaspoons of salt into each solution. This will make both solutions hypertonic to the egg cells. The water from the egg cells will then diffuse out from the egg cell by osmosis, which will cause the egg to shrink. the eggs is done boiling. After it's done boiling, we can add it into cold water so that it will be easier to peel. Now, we can peel the eggs and set it aside to add in to the solution later. Now, we'll pour both the solutions into 2 cups so that the eggs can be fully soaked into the solution.
Show it on. Okay.
这个也是用了，这一点点红色不用紧。
Yeah.
Next, we can add the eggs into the solutions. Two, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Yeah, done.
Now, after our eggs are done soaking, we just received a message that we have our first customer waiting right inside the house. So let us transfer these eggs into a cup and let us meet him. Let's go. Okay. As I was saying, our first customer is waiting right in the hall. Let's go. Hey! Okay, so this will be our first customer. His name is Kenan. Yes, so our customer Kenan here has bought 2 great eggs and 2 mean eggs. Look at this color. Yes. Okay. Oh, thank you, sir. These your eggs. Do you want to have a try? Sure. That's very So, how is it, Kenan? So good. The meat and the grape eggs were so tasty that I finished it right away. Yes.
Wow.
Thanks for being our first customer. No problem. It tastes fantastic.